Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome back to our podcast. Today we have the material or the topic is the importance of education. But before we continue for our topic or our talking, let's thanks unto our God Allah Subhanahu wa Taala who has gathered us from the darkness to the likeness, the Lord of the world, the master of everything. And then so we can meet by online Zoom because there is some case of our education maybe, and this is the virtual meeting, yeah. And then so Mr. Heru has two speakers in this time. There are Damar Wirapandia, that is from XTKG or 20 kg, and then Sofatan Alvareza from XTKG. And then so there are two students that study in IDN boarding school in Jonggol. And then so we have the meeting or podcast. The topic is education. Okay. In this era, education is important. But some people said the education is not important. Because if you have a lot of money, if you don't have a lot of money, maybe you don't need to education. You don't need to continue for education in the higher education maybe. And then so how do you think about this, Damar Wirapandia?
So about the price for education, what is
No,
it?
I think some people said the education is not important. They need the work because they don't have a lot of money, maybe. So what do you think about that statement, maybe?
So for that statement, I think before you work, better you do some study because if you don't study for your work, maybe your work will be what how to say anjir. You will be bad because you don't have some material that you learn from your study when maybe senior high school or junior high school. And maybe study is in still important because if you not study, it will uh, get impact for your work. That's my statement.
Ah, okay. And then so how about you, Fatan, brother Fatan, for your opinion about that statement last time?
What, Mister?
Okay, for your opinion about the statement last time, how about you? Some people
Yes,
say
maybe.
that,
What, Mister? What the?
okay, some people said that education is not important for our life because they just need to work and they just need to seek for the money, yeah. And sometimes some people they don't need to continue for study. How about it?
I think that is wrong, Mister, because uh, education is very important if you want to like find a work, and if you not studying and learn about the not learn about the education, you so what so Mister, repeat, Mister.
What? Repeat.
Mister, dapat repeat. Yes.
Okay, I will continue for Fatan. Okay. I wanna change the question for you. How important education for your life, maybe?
Yes, education is very important for me because if you want to find some work, you must have the education. Like if you
Uh,
want to enter the university, you must many learn about the material. Like if you want to be a programmer, you must learn like programmer. If you're not have anything or not learn anything, you cannot enter the university and you cannot enter the work like programmer.
ah, okay. And then so about Damar, how important of you for education?
Uh, uh, Education play a crucial role in shaping my understanding and
Mhm.
capability. So I think I agree about the education is so important in my education life. In yeah, what? is important in education in my life because it will be helping for in my future for work and other side of my life. So I think it's really important education in our life. Yeah,
Okay,
that.
and then so do you think if our education in Indonesia good or no?
Hmm. Oh yeah, maybe
Still thinking.
uh many school it's
Uh,
still good for for the study, and maybe beside of that there is a school that uh for the studies still apa is bad, I think.
and then so how
Half
about
half
you, Patan? Huh? What?
Uh,
half half.
Not half. Oh, half. Okay, 50-50
Yeah.
maybe. Yeah.
Yes.
And then so Fatan maybe.
I think in Indonesia is educations maybe the system is good and challenge. There is a positive side and a negative side. A negative side. Students are going to school like especially in cities, and the curriculum include local culture and values maybe already good. And but overall Indonesia the education is good. But if you like what misal bandingin misal
Compare.
Compare.
compare with other country, Indonesia is very low.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that is very long, yeah. And I ever heard that private school or homeschooling is different with formal school. Yeah. You ever heard or
For
no?
What
for the
misal?
Formon, what sir?
Uh,
Formon school.
Formal
Formon school.
school and homeschooling is
Formal school.
different. Formal
Homeschooling.
school and homeschooling is different. So which is the better? Do you know it? Homeschooling or formal school?
Maybe it's depend on the person that go to school. Maybe there is a person that he have to focus. He can focus if he alone. And what
Hmm?
private school ya misalnya?
Yeah, that's private school.
Uh, that's a private school. And maybe there is a person that he active for maybe talking to other friend, and maybe he will be better for the study if he with her friend. So I think it's depend on the person itself.
Depend of the person, yeah. That is
Yeah.
yours. Okay, and how
Yes.
about you, Fatan?
Yes, formal schooling and homeschooling, different way to learn. And I think if you choose a formal schooling, it's better because you have a friends and the curriculum and helping students learn important social skill
Mm.
and interactions with classmates, with your friends. And if you choose homeschooling, it's you not have friends and just stay in your home, and there is parents. But there is positive and the negative things if you choose a formal school and the homeschooling school. If you in homeschooling, you can control by your parents. But I think more better if you choose a formal school.
Okay, this is the last question from Mr. Heru in this podcast. Yeah, as you know, in Indonesia, still minim ya for education, the best education maybe. And then so, what is your opinion for which country is the best education for applying in our life? Maybe which country? If
The
in
best
ASEAN, I
country
know
what, Mister?
Singapore. Huh?
The best
Which
country
country?
what?
The best. Okay. Which country is the best education for applying in our life? Maybe
Mm.
in ASEAN, I know that is Singapore. Maybe.
Yes.
And so for
Nasian.
another, yeah. Do you want to study
Hmm.
abroad or overseas?
Well, for the country that fit for
Hmm.
our
Education.
daily maybe
Ah,
education.
maybe. Okay.
I think
Iya.
where outside of ASEAN or ASEAN
Up to you. In the
up
world,
to
all the world. Yeah.
maybe many people will say Singapore, but I
Singapore.
still think yeah
Hmm.
Singapore maybe. Singapore or Malaysia.
Oh, that is
It's
for in ASEAN, yeah.
yeah
Especially in
it's
ASEAN.
still balance for our education I think.
Oh, yeah, yeah, good. Yeah, I agree too if you say Singapore. And then so how about you, Fatan?
I think I already watched in TikTok there is a country, the best country for education, there is Finland.
Yeah.
Because Finland has a strong education system focus on
Mm.
like focus to the creativity and thinking, and student will be teacher are high qualified and respect. And Finland, if you learn in Finland, you get paid with the governor.
Good.
Yes, and it's make to you easy to school in the best school in the Finland. And I think Finland is the best country if you want uh, learn education in there.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I agree also for Finland, but there is some rumor also in Finland. There is some fun fact about the education and the life of that country maybe. And that's why it's okay, never mind, because Finland is one best of education in the world maybe. Yeah, because there is some article also in the Google and also in TikTok, Instagram. Yeah. Finland is best country for applying the education. Yeah, special for English for sorry young learner, pelajar muda, ya, young learner. Okay, that is special for the young learner. Okay, please give the exam sorry the conclusion for our education podcast today, maybe from Damar and Fatan one by one. Damar first.
Hmm. The conclusion.
Yeah, conclusion can be motivation. Yeah.
Hmm. Conclusion.
Yeah, conclusion can be motivation maybe.
Uh, uh, so what that?
Yeah. How about you, Fatan? Fatan first,
Well,
conclusion. Okay.
yes, the conclusion education I think is powerful that can transform lives and open doors to countless opportunities. Yes,
Hmm.
education is very important for our life. Can help you to find a work, and for our life can like a problem solving, and can understand the world around them with
Ah.
education. And people can the patient to maybe apa what to achieve their goals and contribute positively to their communities. Yes, the education is very important.
Hmm. And then you, Damar.
uh, I still say that study education is important for our life and for our motivation that we can study abroad to maybe outside of Asian, maybe America, England, outside of that. That's for our motivation to study hard so we can study abroad in outside of Indonesia. Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
conclusion of me.
Okay, thank you very much. And the last from Mr. Heru. This is if you have the chance for continuing the studying or education in high level, you can do it. But if you don't try it, you never get again for the next time. Okay? Never try, never know. It's like Abil says yesterday. And then so no sacrifice,
Abi.
no victory for you all. Okay. Thank you very much, and then for joining this podcast and happy watching for our video later. Thank you very much. See you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.